There's no denying tools can make meal prep easier and faster, but do you really need a tool for every task? Or are there some gadgets out there that can do it all? I'm Erin from Tech Gadgets Canada, and a hand blender, particularly one with clever attachments, can be a space-saving marvel. I recently got the KitchenAid Cordless hand blender kit, model KHB BV83DG, to be specific, to try out. I'll tell you what you get with this whole kit, how well it works, what the parts are best for, and if I can recommend it overall for you. An early heads up, if you end up liking this video and finding it helpful, to please hit that like button and consider becoming a subscriber. Both those things help me keep making more videos, which I hope everyone out there gets to watch, enjoy, and learn from.
So what's in the box? The KitchenAid variable speed cordless hand blender comes with the Immersion blender motor itself, plus a charging cord. There's a chopper bowl attachment, a 1-liter pitcher with lid, a stainless steel Immersion blender arm with a detachable pan guard, plus a whisk attachment.
I will say right out of the gate, the handle feels solid and weighty. It's not heavy, but it feels really durable. Similarly, the pitcher and the other parts seem well made too. Let's take a closer look though at some of the key features.
The hand blender uses a variable speed trigger switch, which allows you to adjust the speed with the firmness of your press. The switch has a secondary safety button and both must be squeezed to run the blender. It can feel a little awkward at first. As I noted, the hand blender comes with both a whisk attachment and a blending arm. The blending arm is made for things like smoothies, soups, dips, or milkshakes. I used it on a variety of tasks, including making dressings, which included pureeing olives, and I made milkshakes too. The unit is powerful and works fast and definitely left me with smooth purees and silky dressings.
Some immersion blenders can be hard on the bottom of your pots and pans, particularly non-sticks. The KitchenAid comes with a clip-on pan guard that attaches to the blending arm here, and it prevents the blades or the edges of the unit from coming into contact with the bottom of your pan or from scratching it. It is a really great extra tool.
The 2.5 cup chopper attachment can be used to chop up firmer foods like cheeses or harder vegetables. The chopper definitely works quickly and the pieces fit together fast and easily with no fussing. I used the bowl to make a chestnut puree for a pie, and to my surprise, it created a paste quite easily from nuts. The whisk attachment is for foods that benefit from a little more air getting into them, things like egg whites or whipped cream, mayonnaise, or vinaigrettes. I used it to make whipped cream and meringue and deviled eggs, and it worked quickly and did a great job. The best part, just run it in a cup of warm, soapy water for minimal effort cleanup.
Speaking of cleanup, the blending arm and pan guard are both dishwasher safe, as is the pitcher and the chopper parts, though it is recommended for top rack only in your dishwasher. Now, what about battery life and charging? KitchenAid claims the hand blender is capable of blending about 25 bowls of soup on a single charge, based on what it says is a 12-ounce bowl of tomato basil soup. I didn't test it out like that, but in the couple of weeks that I was trying it out, I did only need to charge it once, and I was using it for short periods of time every few days. It has a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, and there's a battery light indicator that will tell you when it's time to recharge. A full charge should take about 2 hours, and a quick 20-minute charge will allow you to blend a bowl of soup or make a single smoothie. The unit, by the way, is not usable while it's recharging. Overall, I really like this hand blender kit. It's powerful and it handled all my home cooking tasks easily. I also really like the variety and versatility of the attachments that this one comes with. Downsides, the pressure trigger is kind of hard to manipulate in small increments. It's really too easy to squeeze it too hard and end up with a full-on splatter. You'll probably get used to it over time, but it's not ideal in my opinion. You also can't use this device while it is recharging, but the quick charge feature does help with that. Even so, I think this is a great durable kitchen multi-tool that you would probably love to have in your kitchen. The KitchenAid Cordless Hand Blender Kit model KHBB-V83DG sells for about $129 US, and you can get it from retailers like Amazon. If you want to read this review or reference any of what I've talked about here, head over to techgadgetscanada.com for a full write-up. There you can ask me any questions you have about this hand blender. You can also post them here in comments below. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Erin. Until the next time, you can find me on either Twitter or Instagram. I'm at ErinLYYC. You can also catch me on Facebook at facebook.com/techgadgetscanada.